What's up, everyone? In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact setups I'm watching for the upcoming week and show you how I'm going to trade them. So let's get right into this. So we have two zones and one level I'm watching here on SPY for this coming week, if we get down to these. But let's start with this possible reject area. This 590.7 to like 591.6. Going to watch this for a possible reject for puts or ES shorts if you trade futures. We have a daily gap level. This will be the fill when it's filled around this 576.7. Going to be watching that for a possible bounce. Okay. Then below that, we have a very nice zone down here around this 568 to like 568.5, which is going to be my next bounce area if we do, lose this. Now, if something happens, we don't have any weakness, we, continue back up. Once we get above this level, I'll look for the retest for a possible long entry. Okay. Up next, ticker SPX. You can trade ES futures or options based off these, but the levels remain the same. I think I added one new one last week, but they're still being respected well. So I'm going to keep these up until, they're no longer valid. You can see we sold off nicely. Showed a little restraint at this 5,900. Bounced some at this 5,871. You can see it better on lower time frames. Still solid levels. If you don't know how to trade these, be sure you check out the video I created for you all on here, specifically showing you how I trade SPX levels. It's a short video, straight to the point, so be sure to check that out if you have any confusion. But basically, the way I see it, I don't want to be going short right above SPX support. I don't want to be going long right below SPX resistance, okay? So on QQQ, I have two levels here. Basically the same zone that we had on SPY. There've been a lot of divergence on SPY and QQQ this year, more than I've seen the year before, but still gonna watch this 584 to like 584.8 for a possible bounce if we get down there, or a possible reject up here around this area, this 507 area. I'm gonna watch that closely. It could be a strong reject area. We'll see. And remember, just because that we have a valid zone, even a A+ setup trade, right? That doesn't mean when you get into the trade you should just like, okay, hold for hope or average down if it does go against you, because anybody's been trading any amount of time, certain things can cause even A+ trades to go bad, whether it be news or whatever. So let's go into this week. Let's plan each trade and let's trade our plan. It's that simple. Do not move your stop loss. Do not average down. Do not hope for hope. The trade invalidates. That's where we get out. If we get into a trade, it hits our first price target. That's where we trim, adjust our stop loss. If it stops us out on the rest of our position, it's okay. That's just how you manage a trade. So I don't care how much you've struggled this year. This could be the turnaround, point. You can make this week the week you start building good habits. People often say, I got to make back these losses. I got to make back all this money I lost. That's not how it works. That money's gone. That, just think of it, that was what you're paid, for your imaginary degree in day trading, right? So now think about it like this. Now, I'm not trying to make up the money, but I'm trying to start making money consistently. If you can do that, start actually making money to just pay yourself, live life, invest, whatever it's for. Eventually, you will have that money back, but don't look at it like you got to make that back, because you're going to be trying to, catch big trades for that big win. And this is a long-term game. Okay. This is not a get rich quick thing. It's a long-term income, and it can be a long-term high income if you stick with it. But yeah, that's all I have for this video. If you haven't already, be sure to hit that thumbs up. It really helped me. And if you haven't got my personal indicator yet, Grizzology, I'll leave a link in the description. Get signed up for that. It's my supply and demand strategy. Put into indicator the best I can. It's based off the time frames I like, and it shows the confirmation I like as well once it confirms coming out of them zones. So yeah, appreciate you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.